Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Baking with Chef Raphael, a show that's all about making you a better home baker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a passion fruit cheesecake. It actually looks very nice. It has a topping of passion fruit sauce. The cheesecake is made with cream cheese and it has a base made of digestive biscuits. Let's get started and see how to make it. So make sure you subscribe to the show if you're new, so that you're actually notified whenever I have a new recipe out. So for today's ingredients, we have margarine, digestive biscuits, sugar, and for the cheesecake, we have cream cheese itself as a cheese. We have 4 eggs. Now we'll remove the zest from 2 lemons. And to make the topping for the cheesecake, we'll have passion fruit. Now I'll show you how to make the passion fruit because it has its own other ingredients, which includes corn flour and some sugar. So let's start with the margarine. So it's 90 grams for the margarine. So I've blended these biscuits to come up with the powder like this. And then for the margarine, just melt it. So I've just melted it on a pan and pour it. Now this is what will form the base of the cheesecake. The other thing that is also very important when you're doing a cheesecake is having a spring foam pan like this, the one that actually opens like this. Because how it works is just when you place the the bottom of this down, and then you close it like that, and then you take the biscuit and then what I'll do now is to spread the biscuit onto the bottom. Again, this is the base of the cheesecake. So we'll flatten the bottom and then I'll place it in a fridge to cool down and to be firm before now we add the cheesecake. So now is the cream cheese. Cream cheese should be at room temperature. And then to this we're going to add the lemon zest. Remember, the lemon zest is just the zest itself, the green or yellow part of the lemon that you're having, not the white part. So this adds the flavor. So now to this I'll add the sugar. It's 160 grams. Now the next stage is adding the eggs. We'll add them one at a time, that is break one, and then beat the mixture. So there you have it. All ingredients are in. So now mixture is ready. The base is set. Just pour. So you can see the specks of green. I don't know if you can see it. The lemon, it actually smells nice. So now I'll place it in the oven. I've preheated it at 160 degrees Celsius. So now the making of the passion fruit topping. Now I have 10 passion fruits. This will give me approximately 170 grams of the pulp. So now the next thing is to remove the pulp using a spoon. Now the black passion fruit is the best option because it will have a nice color. We have yellow ones, but again, if that's what you have available, you can use it. But mind you, this recipe, It doesn't only have to be the passion fruit on top. The same recipe for the cheesecake, you can use another topping like strawberry. You can blend some strawberries and then place it as a topping. I'll place this into my pan because we'll start cooking it. And also what I'll do on my small bowl is add 80 ml of water, cold water, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. That's 1 tablespoon, and dissolve the corn flour in the cold water. Now to the passion fruit, I'll add 55 grams of sugar. Stir, and then add the diluted corn flour. And basically what it will do is to thicken the passion fruit, form it into a thick sauce. So stir as it continues cooking. So now the mixture is thick, it's saucy, it's something that now when you put on top of the cheesecake, it will hold. So now I'll turn off the heat and place it either in the fridge or let it cool down completely as we wait for the cheesecake to cook. So the cheesecake is ready. How you know it's ready? It needs to brown, like you see it brown. And if you notice that it's too brown faster than, in a very short time, reduce the heat. And what will happen when it's cooked, it's at the center, it will actually be wobbly and soft. But on the sides, it will be nice and brown as you can see it. And now to finish it off, this is what I was saying. You can actually eat this as it is, as a cheesecake, because this is now a cheesecake as it is now. But when you add the topping, that's what now gives it the other name. Now in this case, passion fruit. It has cooled down and it's a thick, like sauce kind of a consistency. So there you have it. It's I think that is enough. I don't want a very thick layer, but if you feel you can still add the rest if that's what you like, but that should be it. Now place it in a fridge to cool down completely. In fact, if the longer it stays in the fridge, the more set it will be. So this is how it looks on the inside. You can see the base of the digestive biscuit, and then the passion fruit oozing on top of the cheesecake. That has been today's recipe. I hope you've learned something, and I'm signing out. So until next time, goodbye.